Okay, good morning. It's PCT day 27. We're just leaving mile 278.4. Let's go. Something going on here with solar panels and a fence. Check it out.
Yeah, nice water tank. For the water tank. Oh, hey! Oh, you find any water? Oh, okay.
I don't, but I want to check it out. Knock, knock. Whew. It's a little stinky. Let's pass. I'm good.
Backside over here. Oh yeah, you see him. One coming out right there.
Yep.
Yep, now he's going back in. It's like, wait a minute, I don't know if I want out here.
Oh, look at this little shady spot. PCT day 27. We're at 293.8, I believe, which puts us at about a 15.2 mile day. So another really good day, mileage wise. It was relatively flat. It did get pretty warm, but luckily we found the creek halfway through the day and we're able to stop off there a couple times. We're camped kind of next to it. I'll show you. You can kind of see my tent right there, and Dad's is kind of over there. There's one other guy camped kind of off to the right. Tons of pine cones. I don't know if you can see them under those trees. But take a look at this. See if I can do this here without blocking the camera. Look at this. It's as big as my head. These pine cones are massive. Luckily, I don't see any of the trees that are this size, and we're not camped under any pine trees. But can you imagine if you camped under this fell out of the tree? Yeah, you're done. You're done. It's some kind of medieval weapon. So, anyway, another good day mileage-wise. We're gonna probably look at the map tomorrow. We only have like one bar of service here tonight. We're hoping to get better throughout the day tomorrow. Kind of look at the map and kind of plan when we're going to be in Cajon Pass based on kind of our new mileage average, which is a lot more, and try to book that. It looks like it'll be a weekday, and they have a hiker discount, so I think we're going to take a 0 day, so 2 nights in the hotel the day we go in, and they have a washing machine because we got cleaned up at Motel 6 but didn't get our clothes clean, so our clothes just stink and we're dirty again in less than 2 days. I don't know why it keeps doing that, like suddenly stops recording. Okay, anyway, I'll have to work on that and figure it out. So, end of day 27, thank you for following along, and we will talk to you guys in the morning.